XRP Informant leaked that all Ripple XRP holders will be rich soon. Cryptocurrencies are volatile in nature, and it is likely that by the time you watch this video, XRP might already be on its way to explode. The ongoing Q4 has brought significant profits to the crypto market. The overall market cap of the crypto space now stands at $2.505 trillion, with 13% gains. In any case, if we really have to believe what this secret informant just told us, this is just the beginning of the crypto market and XRP. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
We're going to talk about the information leaked by an informant that concerns XRP. Is this going to have an impact on the price of XRP? Can XRP help you reach your financial goals? Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions. We also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So, if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So, without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we? Sentiment, a blockchain analytic business, recently predicted that the price of XRP's ledger, native asset XRP, will rise based on two metrics. On Twitter, Sentiment claims that an increase in the number of addresses on the XRP network, as well as an increase in the social media mentions, indicate that XRP's value is likely to climb in the near future. XRP is gaining traction on social media, and our data shows that in the month of October, there was a considerable increase in the number of addresses communicating on the hashtag XRP network. Historically, these divergences have always resulted in price increases. According to the blockchain analytic firm, Bitcoin's dominance beyond almost 45% essentially boosted address activity, as address activity now visits over 1 million addresses on a fairly regular basis. It's a great indication that addresses are continuing to interact with the Bitcoin network on an expectedly regular basis in order to justify the prices provided by the data. So with Bitcoin, which apparently is the flagship crypto, reached its new all-time high, suggests that the market can and will survive. According to Sentiment, the metrics calculate the average age of all Bitcoins based on the data they were purchased for the majority of coins in circulation. We can't deny the fact that XRP's price has fallen in the last 24 hours. It is also true that it has reversed the downward trend that had been observed the previous week. Furthermore, despite the current ongoing SEC versus Ripple investigation, XRP's price has risen by approximately 4.37% over the last 7 days. Did you guys know that RippleNet plans to provide users with enhanced cross-border payment solutions? At the same time, the ecosystem also intends to include NFTs on the XRP ledger, which will be available in the near future. You must be aware of how NFT sales have skyrocketed in 2021, despite the fact that September's figures were down from August. The month still ranked as the second best gracing month for NFTs, with total sales exceeding $450 million. Moving on September 29th, Ripple announced the creation of $250 million fund to encourage NFT projects. The created fund will provide financial and technical support to developers who wish to construct a FTS on the XRP ledger using the XRP blockchain technology. Monica Long, the general manager of the global payment platform Ripple, commented on the news, citing the new opportunities that NFTs could bring. While entities have opened the door to a tokenized future, navigating these concepts is a different ball game for many, starting with marketplaces and creators. According to the CEO of Ripple, their fund strives to remove the guesswork from the NFT project in order to unleash previously untapped tokenization use cases on the XRP ledger. At the same time, The CTO of Ripple, David Schwartz, said, "Over time, we will see the NFT market broaden. Ripple may be a bit late to the NFT party, but the XRP ledger will attempt to become an industry game changer and challenge Ethereum's hegemony." Now, while NFT sales soar, the Ethereum blockchain continues to rule the space, but Ripple fans believe that's going to change soon. Even though Ethereum is currently dominating the market, there are significant competitors. David Schwartz was recently asked about the company's growing interest on NFTs. Talking about the NFT project, he said, "We were a little late to the party, but not too late. If NFTs are successful, then we are still early. We initially started to look at how people wanted to use NFTs and realized that a lot of the challenges people were facing were due to the technology being very primitive." He likewise said, "Every company wanted to get into the space needed a tremendous amount of specific enterprise, which isn't a good way to grow. So building that tooling is what we've been focused on. Also, sometimes money is the obstacle." When asked about the XRP ledger being energy efficient, he said, "Yes, the reason why proof of work or POW systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum consume energy is that they are specifically designed to create artificial scarcity. You'd want artificial scarcity if you are trying to profit from something that has to be scarce. You also need artificial scarcity for something to be valuable, and you need to convince customers that the scarcity is not artificial." At the same time, he believes that POW creates artificial scarcity by using something scarce, which is energy. When energy is purely used to create artificial scarcity, though, it drives up cost. The only reason you'd want to do this is if you are getting a cut of the money. Only the people getting those fees are promoting that technology. In the XRP ledger, no one gets transaction fees, so no one wants high fees. The fee literally covers the cost of processing the transaction. The fact is that the XRP ledger works just as well without artificial scarcity. Now, with all that going on with XRP, it is anticipated that we'll see significant gains in the future. And like David said, if you want to do everything, then you can't be very good at anything. The XRP ledger has a list of things it does really well. If one of those are the things you need, that's great. But if one isn't what you need, then you need to move to something more general. Moving on, let's talk about the effect of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit that is still ongoing has on the price of XRP. To be honest, each positive hearing from the court has a positive impact on the XRP chart. Furthermore, NFT sales are still in demand, and if developers pay more attention to the XRP ledger, the latter will have an advantage in the lucrative NFT sector. Another thing that Ripple is currently working on is federated side chains that allow assets to move freely between blockchain. Wrapped XRP is an example of this since it allows XRP to move between the XRP ledger and Ethereum. But these are point solutions to specific problems. The advantage of solutions to a specific problem is that it allows a type of innovation that is currently not possible. Now, as promised, according to the price analysis of XRP, the live XRP price today is $1.16 with a 24-hour trading volume of $4,741,628,909 US dollars. XRP is down 4.79% in the last 24 hours, while the current coin market cap ranking is number 7, with a live market cap of $54,806,669,087. XRP has a circulating supply of 47,158,974,920 XRP coins, with a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know more about XRP, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. This content in this video is for instructive purposes only and should not be considered as monetary guidance. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about the leaked information. Do you own any XRP or would you consider buying some? Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.